thanks everyone for tuning into our channel. I appreciate everyone that helps out and views the videos that we put up. I'm here with my friend Keith. Keith, say hi to everyone in the YouTube world, man.
Hi everybody in YouTube world.
Awesome, awesome, awesome. Listen, Keith, I wanted to ask you some questions of why you're out here and struggling in life. Can you tell a little bit about you, Keith, and what is it that happened in your life? How old are you, Keith, right now?
I'm 59.
59 years old? Now, you told me you went to prison, Keith?
Yeah, I went to prison.
How long were you there, Keith, in prison?
This last time, 9 years.
9 years in prison? How was that, Keith, for you? Was that really difficult, being away from out here, the freedom and everything?
Yeah.
It was tough?
I would try to better myself.
So you're not originally from here?
No.
Where are you from, Keith?
I'm from Massachusetts.
Massachusetts? I can't say that because I'm Mexican. So, Mr. Keith, they put you here. They left you here. You were in the Soledad prison?
Yeah.
Yeah, okay. So then they when they dropped you off in the streets, did they really give you like a plan to work, a plan for something? They just said, there you go, you're free. No money in your pocket, no really future. So you ended up homeless.
You ended up after. They don't say, here you go, you're free. They push you and push you and push you and tell you got to do this, got to do that, and they make you all nervous and upset. And then nobody can do good.
There's nothing that it's not really something that you. Okay, now Keith, you have your arm hurt. Tell a little bit the viewers what happened last night to you, man, and be loud so they can hear you.
Last night, you know, I don't have a really good bike light, and it was dark, and I went to go up on the sidewalk to avoid being in the street. There was a little curb, and I hit the little curb and went right over the handlebars and broke my little finger.
Let me tell you, Keith, you let me borrow your bike because I wanted to ride it. You told me it was a really cool bike. There is no brakes. The handles are loose. I almost fell on my ass over here. I tried to stop it and I was like, oh shit, no brakes. So I jumped off the bike and I started running with the bike until it stopped. It was pretty scary. You got to get that fixed. You're 59 years old. You can't afford to break a leg, man. You gotta be standing and be doing good. Now, Keith, I want to thank Chipotle. Chipotle donated this fine food for us. Thank you guys. We didn't pay nothing for this. Chipotle came through. So thank you. So how's your food, man?
Delicious.
Delicious. Let me grab a bite here too. So they gave me some food right here. Thank you, Chipotle. Awesome carne asada quesadilla, you know. It's really good. So Keith, you've been homeless more than 5 years, a long time. Is there a point where you just don't really want to do much and just the day drags on and you just thank God that you're alive another day?
Mm-hmm.
And I want to ask you a question now. You told me this, but I want my viewers to know this. What is the nicest thing somebody's ever done for you, Keith? A random act of kindness.
I don't know, probably been about 6 years now.
6 years?
I was laying in the park over here on Thanksgiving Day, and there wasn't much going on. Wondering where I was going to get my Thanksgiving dinner. And all of a sudden I heard this little old lady, this voice yelling, "Excuse me, mister." I look up, and she's waving her arms and, trying to get me over there. So I got up and I went over to her car and she said, "I just wanted to tell you I have 4 extra plates here from our Thanksgiving dinner. Awesome. And I wanted you to have our Thanksgiving dinner with us." And she gave me the Thanksgiving dinner in a $100 bill. And I was blessed.
That is, how'd you feel? You felt great, right? Yep. I told you, Keith, we can't give you $100, Keith, but that's awesome, man. I want to go ahead and help you out, Keith, before you go today. I'll give you a couple bucks, That's people that have donated to me. Today we were out here in Hardin Ranch Plaza. We were getting donations all night, guys, from people and subscribing people. And what we're gonna do either tomorrow, Saturday, or on Monday, we're gonna do a big thing in Chinatown. We're gonna have a big table. We're gonna have rice, beans, fajitas, chicken, or beef, we'll see, or half and half, tortillas, juice, and water. We're gonna do all this in Chinatown and serve as many people as we can, guys. It's gonna be costly, but we're gonna help a lot of people. I had one viewer in a comment say that why don't you help more than one people at a time? So I listened, guys, and I'm going to do that. I'm going to help more than one person at a time, and I'm going to see how many people we can help. And that is all thanks to all the viewers. When I do the video, I will thank each and every one of you. I am very grateful. Without you guys, nothing of this is possible. And thanks to you guys. Thank you guys so much. One last thing, Mr. Keith, I want to give you the last words tonight. What is it you want people to do when they see homeless people? Because you're not a drug addict. You're not an alcoholic. You smoke pot, but that's not like it's a sin. You just got dealt a hand that you weren't able to work with, and you've been living out here, and you kind of like made a life out here, And what do you want people to do when they see homeless people?
Just say hi to us, smile, say hi, give us encouragement. I do work on bicycles, mechanics work. Anybody's looking for good.
You were a great construction worker in your time, right?
Yeah.
You're a good construction. You have kids?
Oh yeah, I have one daughter and 6 grandchildren.
Yes, one daughter and 6
Right,
grandchildren.
that's
When's the
right,
last time you
6
saw your
grandchildren.
daughter, sir?
9 years now.
How would you feel if you saw
Oh
her?
God, I miss her.
What about your grandkids?
I want to see my grandchildren every time.
Yeah. Have you got a hold of them? Talk to them
Oh yeah,
on
I
the
talked to
phone?
them on the phone, but parole
But
won't
it's
let
not
me
the
go.
same, right? It's
Parole
not
won't
the
let me
same.
go and see them because they're afraid I won't come back.
Wow.
Well, who knows why?
59-year-old man, what are you gonna be doing, right, boss?
Exactly.
Man, it's tough, man. Look, man, I'm gonna help you tonight, and I hope this food fills up your belly and you could sleep well tonight. Thank you to all the viewers for helping me make this channel a reality, and we're growing every day, guys. We're at 1,300 subscribers. So God bless you all, and thank you for viewing.
God bless you. Thank you very much for taking the time to listen to us about the homeless people.
Thank you.
Thank you.